Hello guys, welcome to Ethan TV, and this is Ethan speaking. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to figure out the password of your Wi-Fi that your laptop or your computer is currently connected. This tutorial is only applicable for Windows operating system, so whatever Windows operating system you're using, it's kind of the same. So to do that, we have to start with our control panel. We go ahead and click on the search button on the taskbar, and then look for control panel. And then you will have this window. You go ahead and click on network and internet. So then this window would pop up. You click on network and sharing center. So on this window you would see the information of your Wi-Fi. So you have the name on the left, and then there is a hyperlink that you can click on the right. So we're gonna click the one, and then this window would pop up, and then we click on wireless properties, and then after that you would see two tabs. We have connection, and then we have security, and then we click security. So on this page you would see the network security key. That is our password. So in order for you to show the password, you just have to click on show characters, and in there you would see the password. On this tutorial you would see that my password is 123456789. That's as easy as that. So thank you so much. I hope this video helps a lot, and I hope you guys can also help my channel grow. Please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you watching this video. Bye.